Sometimes you might feel like your body isn't able to keep up with you. You might get more tired when you climb the stairs than before. Or you feel like the shopping bags you've been carrying for years are heavier. Something as simple as getting up from a chair might be the cause. What used to be easy now seems to require a lot of work. You're not the only one who has heard this before. Many adults over 50 have a silent problem called sarcopenia, which means they lose muscle with age. The scary part is that it's not just losing strength in your arms or legs. Less muscle means less freedom in everyday life. You may not be able to walk without worrying about falling, cook your favorite food without straining yourself, or keep living your life the way you want to. Your metabolism slows down, your energy goes down, and you're more likely to fall. For many seniors, just one fall can change everything. But there is good news. What if there wasn't a pill, supplement, or pricey gym contract that could help? You build back muscle? Imagine that the answer was something small, natural, and even tasty that you might already have in your kitchen pantry. Stay with me, and I'll tell you what that food is. Why many health experts think it's one of nature's best-kept secrets for strength, and how you can use it every day to feel better, get your energy back, and move with more confidence, even if you're over 50. Let me take a moment to welcome you to this group before I tell you that secret. Please follow this channel if you're new here. This place is just for seniors. Each video is made to help you get healthier, smarter, and more independent as you age. Every week, we bring you natural remedies, medical insights, and easy ways to improve your health that will protect your heart, make your bones stronger, help your digestion, and improve your brain. Picture this. You wake up, go up the stairs without stopping, take your groceries without any trouble, and still have energy to play with your grandchildren or do your favorite things. It's what this station is all about, giving you that kind of life. So, click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and it's free. It might be one of the easiest and most effective things you do to get stronger, healthier, and happy after 60. Yourself in the future will be grateful. The quiet thief of muscle. Between 50 and the slow, steady loss of muscle is something that almost everyone goes through after midlife, but many people don't notice it until it's too late. When you turn 50, your body starts to lose about 1% to 2% of its muscle mass every year. When you hear 1%, it might sound small and not dangerous. But here's the shocking truth. That's almost a fifth of your strength gone in just 10 years. Just think about that for a second. If you have 2 strong arms today, and then 10 years from now, you feel like one of them has gotten a lot weaker. Your muscles are like a bank account. When you were younger, everything you did, ate, and moved around was like putting money into that account. You got stronger and put it away. But after age 50, your body starts to slowly let go of 1% to 2% of its reserves every year, sometimes even more, without telling you. The changes are so small at first that you hardly notice them. But then you wake up one day and see that your account is getting dangerously low. The muscles that used to help you support yourself aren't there as much as they used to be. For example, John was a former school teacher who was 65 years old and loved gardening. He loved taking care of his roses and bringing heavy watering cans across the yard for years. But these days, those watering cans feel like heavy rocks. He has to kneel down to pull weeds, which hurts his thighs, and it takes him a long time, and a lot of work to get back up. John feels more than just physical stress. He also feels angry and sad. He starts to worry that the things that used to calm him down and give him a reason to live are slowly becoming impossible to do. He just says it's just normal aging, like a lot of older people do. There is a truth to what John is going through, though his muscles are breaking down faster than they are rebuilding. His body still wants to build and fix muscle, but food, hormones, and exercise aren't helping it as much as they used to. loss takes over when you don't give it the right power and care. What most people don't know is that having muscles isn't just about looking toned or being able to lift big things. Your muscles help your body stay alive. They act like shock cushions to protect your bones, making it less likely that you will break them if you trip. They keep your joints stable so they don't get painfully stiff. They store glucose, which helps keep blood sugar in check and lowers your risk of getting diabetes. Strong muscles help you keep a healthy weight and steady energy because they keep your body going. Not stopping muscle loss doesn't just make you weaker. It also takes away your freedom. You lose your freedom when your strength goes away. You lose the freedom to walk without a cane, shop and cook without asking for help, enjoy your hobbies, and live your life the way you want to. And when you lose your freedom, you often lose your faith. A lot of older people stop doing things they used to enjoy because they're afraid they'll trip, have trouble, or look bad. But here's the good news. Losing muscle with age is normal, but it's not a given. You don't have no power over it. You can greatly slow it down and sometimes even stop some of the decline if you follow the right diet, habits, and foods. How are we going to fight back? Not with hard-to-understand treatments or pricey powders, but with something much easier. A food that has been around for hundreds of years but is often forgotten. A food that gives you plant-based protein, amino acids that heal muscles, magnesium to help your muscles contract, and vitamins that keep your cells from getting damaged by aging. You'll find out which food is a muscle-building superstar in the next part. It can help you get back your energy and strength that you thought you had lost. Almonds are the nut that helps muscles grow back. So, what is this strong food that can help you get your muscles back after 50? It's not a pill, a protein powder, or an expensive vitamin that you saw on late-night TV. There is something much easier, and a lot of you probably already have it in your kitchen. It is, in fact, the simple almond. At first look, almonds may seem like any other nut that you add to trail mix or eat on its own. That being said, almonds are truly amazing when it comes to building muscle and keeping your power after middle age. They give your body the nutrition it needs as you age and are like little powerhouses. Almonds are a hero when it comes to muscle food because of the following. Protein helps build muscle. An ounce of almonds, which is about 23 nuts, has 6 grams of protein. As you know, amino acids are what make up protein. Your body uses amino acids to fix and rebuild muscle fibers. Your body can't make up for what it loses if it doesn't get enough. Protein. Magnesium helps your body heal and get stronger. Almonds have a lot of magnesium, which is an important mineral for adults that is often forgotten. Magnesium helps your muscles rest and contract, stops cramps, and speeds up recovery after exercise. A lot of older people don't know it, but they are magnesium lacking, which makes tiredness and weakness worse. It might help to close that gap to add nuts. Vitamin E to protect muscles. Vitamin E is a strong antioxidant that is found on the outside of every almond. Free radicals do more damage to our muscles as we get older. This is called oxidative stress. This stress speeds up the loss of muscle. Because it's like a cover, vitamin E keeps your muscle cells safe from damage, so they stay healthy longer. Healthy fats for steady energy. Sugary snacks give you a quick energy boost that wears off quickly. Almonds, on the other hand, contain healthy monounsaturated fats that give you energy slowly but consistently. That gives your muscles the fuel they need for longer, while your body heals broken tissue in the background. Now, here's something that not many people know about nuts that is a secret. They have arginine as an amino acid in them. Arginine makes your blood move better by making your blood vessels relax. When your circulation is better, your muscles get more air and nutrients when they need them the most. Think of your muscles. as a building site, and the nutrients in air are the bricks and mortar. They can't get their materials if the blood flow isn't good. Arginine makes sure that the delivery trucks show up on time, which helps your muscle repair project stay on track. Take a moment to think about this. A lot of people spend a lot of money on vitamins, shakes, and protein powders that claim to help them get stronger. Almonds, on the other hand, which you can get at any grocery shop, contain protein, magnesium, antioxidants, and compounds that improve blood flow. Almonds are good for more than just your body. Almonds have long been thought of as a brain and body food. For example, in India, moms soak almonds before sending their kids to school to help them remember things, and older people eat them every day to stay healthy. Olives are an important part of Mediterranean foods because they help people live longer and be stronger. We are just now learning what many cultures have known for hundreds of years. Now, I want to ask you, would you think about eating nuts every day? If you already do, how do you like them? Do you like them raw, cooked, or soaked overnight? What do you think? Please leave your answer in the comments. Your advice might help other seniors who are watching this movie. Why muscles lose size when you don't eat right? The big problem is this. Protein isn't broken down as well in your body after age 50. In other words, your muscles might not be getting enough protein even if you eat some. This is known to doctors as anabolic resistance. It would be awful to try to build a house but only get half of the bricks you ordered. The house will always be unfinished. That's how your muscles feel when they don't get enough good protein. Compare these two older people. Mary, who is 62 years old, has toast and coffee for breakfast and maybe a small sandwich for lunch. She doesn't eat much protein, and she's noticed that her arms and legs are getting weaker over time. David, who is also 62 years old, starts his day with Greek yogurt and a handful of nuts. His muscles stay strong, he has more energy, and he even feels younger over time. What's the difference? Almonds are a small, easy-to-eat food that provide the right amount of energy and nutrients. Next, I'll tell you a secret about nuts that not many people know but makes them even better for seniors. What soaked almonds can do for you. Did you know that letting nuts soak overnight makes them healthier? It's not just an old myth. Science backs it up. The skin of nuts softens when they are soaked, which lets enzymes out that help digestion. Soaking nuts makes it easier for your body to absorb their nutrients. This is especially helpful for seniors who have trouble with indigestion or bloating. Soaked nuts are given to kids in India to help them remember things better. But older people can also benefit because they help the body absorb nutrients and repair muscles. Take this advice. Soak 5 to 7 almonds overnight and eat them first thing in the morning. Your stomach will get better, you'll have more energy, and your muscles will get stronger over time. Do you eat your nuts raw, or do you soak them first? Please tell me. Feel free to leave your answer below. What are the best nuts for muscles? Almonds or other nuts? Then you might ask, what about peanuts, cashews, or walnuts? Don't they also help? The truth is this. Omega-3s in walnuts are good for your brain, but they don't have as much energy as almonds. Cashews taste great, but they have a lot of fat and not much energy. Peanuts are tasty, but they're not really nuts. They're also called legumes, and some people have trouble digesting them. Almonds are a great food because they are high in protein, magnesium, vitamin E, and are easy to stomach. That's why they're called the king of bulk nuts. I have a question, though. Do you eat more almonds or walnuts? Leave a comment below. Your answer might inspire other people who are watching. How people around the world eat and use almonds. Almonds have been good for health for a long time in many cultures. In the Mediterranean, almonds are used to make almond paste and almond milk, which helps people live healthy, busy lives. In India, saffron and almonds are mixed into warm milk because it is thought to give people more energy and strength. Almond flour is used in baked goods in Europe to add protein and energy. Don't you think it's interesting? People all over the world have used almonds for health for a long time, even before modern science proved them to be effective. Keep reading, because I'm about to tell you exactly how many almonds you should eat every day to see real muscle growth. How many almonds to eat and when to eat them. To power up. Now comes the useful part. If you eat too few nuts, you won't lose weight. But if you eat too many, you may gain weight for no reason. Where is the sweet spot? Experts say that you should eat about 1 ounce a day, which is about 20 to 23 nuts. But older people can start with less. 5 to 7 nuts soaked in water in the morning. A few more as a snack in the afternoon. Or mixed into cereal, smoothies, or even salads. Time is also important. Ashes or a walk, right after light exercise or a workout, help muscles heal faster because that's when your body is ready to take in protein. Do you want to eat your nuts in the morning or as a snack later in the day? Leave a comment if you want to share your practice. Let's dispel some false ideas. One myth is that almonds make you fat. Even though almonds are high in calories, studies have shown that they help people keep their weight in check because they keep you full and stop you from eating too much. 2. Almonds are hard to break down. Soaked nuts are great for seniors because they are easy to digest. The third myth is that almond milk and nuts both have amino acids. This is true. Almond milk you buy in stores is often watered down and doesn't have much protein. It's much better for your muscles to eat whole nuts. Did you ever believe one of these stories? Write about your experience below. I'd love to hear from you. The big picture. Almonds and the health of older people in general. Even though we're talking about muscles today, nuts are also good for other important parts of senior health. 1. They keep your heart healthy and lower your cholesterol. They control blood sugar, which lowers the risk of getting diabetes. The vitamin E in them helps you remember things. The calcium and magnesium in them make bones stronger. So eating nuts doesn't just help your muscles grow back, it also helps your whole body, from head to toe. This is a review. Muscle loss can happen slowly after age 50. It can make life harder and raise your health risks, but you can naturally rebuild muscles by adding almonds, which are a simple but strong nut that is high in protein, magnesium, vitamin E, and antioxidants. It's almost like going back in time. You can start with just 5 to 7 soaked almonds in the morning and eat them all day. If you keep at it, you might feel your energy coming back, your muscles getting stronger, and your freedom staying longer. Are you ready to start eating nuts every day? Share your thoughts below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you liked this video. That's it. Every week you'll get tips made just for seniors that will help you live longer, healthier, and happy after 60. I'll see you in the next movie. Stay healthy and strong.